In the digital age, your business's success hinges on your online presence. Targeted SEO mastery, unlocking organic visibility. Creative brand storytelling, making memories that matter. Data-driven insights, shaping informed decisions. Conversion sorcery, turning clicks into customers. Social media empowerment, building online communities. Organic ranking strategy, elevating your online presence. Trends report and insights, navigating industry evolution. Cultivating opportunities through sharing and connecting. We're here to assist you in enhancing your online presence with budget-friendly monthly SEO packages.